The premium wires for our new jewelry collection just arrived and I just couldn't be patient. I had to unbox it right away, and here are some of the wires that will be going into the new collection I'm making. They're going to be used for personalized jewelry, your name, your dates, important dates to you, your loved one's name. I'm still waiting for the metal stamps. They could arrive any day from now, but I just couldn't wait to show you guys the materials. These materials are 14 karat gold filled and 925 silver, recycled silver basically. So they're going to be used in making our new personalized jewelry collection, and these particular wires are going to be used for the samples, so I can upload the pictures and you guys can see, but I need to make them first. So I'm just excited that this is finally here. It was meant to arrive on Friday, but it's like 3 days early, so that will speed things up in the launch. So I get the majority of my precious materials from Cooksongold because when you're crafting heirloom pieces, the quality of the raw material is everything. Let's get this out so you can see what we're working with. First up, we have this brass wire. This is another sample for another design. So the majority of these wires are substantial 2 mm thickness. I chose this specific gauge because it gives the jewelry a beautiful and luxurious weight. I am placing the 14 karat gold field and the silver next to my design sketches because this is where the vision completely comes to life. Seeing the raw bright silver and the warm gold sitting next to each other. Now, because I'll be unstamping every single pieces of these necklaces, I can only take a limited number of custom orders each week, just so I can keep the quality perfect for you guys. So to make sure you don't miss out when the shop opens, I'm officially launching my VIP early access list. It's going to be in the description box and it's also going to be in the comments. So make sure you click that link and register so you can get early access once these pieces are available, and you also get 10% off. If you watched up until this point, drop me a comment telling me what name or date you would like to stamp on your jewelry, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.